In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customers and sub-customers in QuickBooks Online. Let's get started by navigating to the QuickBooks website. If you're new to QuickBooks, make sure to sign up for an account. It's quite straightforward and essential for keeping your finances organized and your business running smoothly. However, if you already have an account, simply click on Sign In to access QuickBooks Online using your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll need to select your company file. This step ensures you're working within the right context of your business data. After selecting your company, head over to the QuickBooks dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub, providing easy access to all the features QuickBooks has to offer. Now, it's time to visit the Customer Hub, which is the home for managing all your customer information. Here, click on the Customers tab. This takes you to a page where you can see a list of all existing customers. To add a new customer, locate the New Customer or New Customer Pluses button at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will open a form where you can fill in your customer's details, such as their name, company, email, phone, and address. It's a good idea to have this information on hand to ensure a smooth entry process. Don't forget to set the payment terms and tax info for your customer. This is a crucial step for managing invoices and payments effectively. Additionally, you can specify default payment methods and leave any notes you find pertinent about the customer. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click Save to add this customer to your list. Now for adding a sub-customer, click New Customer again and enter the sub-customer's information. In the customer form, check the box labeled Is Sub-Customer. This option allows you to associate the sub-customer with a parent customer. Choose the parent customer from the drop-down list and decide whether to bill the sub-customer with the parent or separately. This flexibility can be quite beneficial for businesses with complex billing structures. After making your selections, hit Save to confirm the entry. Lastly, return to your customer list to verify that both customers and sub-customers have been added correctly. Within the list, you can use filters to easily view sub-customers grouped under their respective parent customer. This is particularly useful for managing and organizing customer data efficiently. That's it for this tutorial. Adding customers and sub-customers in QuickBooks Online can streamline your accounting process, offering you better insights and control over your business transactions. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out other tutorials for more insights into using QuickBooks effectively